understanding how our convolutional neural network works, first of all, let us understand what the image is. Image is a matrix which contain numerical value. It has three layers R, G, B. But in this case, for simplicity, we are taking a grayscale image which is divided by a vertical line. Here 10, 10, 10 represents white in color, and all zeros representing that they are black in color. And now by using convolutional neural network and filters, we will now try to understand how a filter can detect a edge in the given image. So let's start. First of all, we take this matrix 3 cross 3. This is called filter, and it contains the numerical value which is known as weights. These are weights similar to our ANN network, but it is enclosed in a matrix. And through this filter, we are going to detect where the edge is present in the image. First of all, in the first step, we take this filter and put this on the image. Now calculate the respective values like that. First of all, we multiply 10 with 1, we got the answer 10. Similarly, in the next case, we get the answer 10 and 10. Now we add all the numbers. In first three positions, we get 30 answer. Now these terms are zeros, so 0 into 10 is 0. This term is also 0, this term is also 0. In next step, what we get? Minus 1 into 10, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10. So this layer total sum is minus 30 and first layer sum is 30. So we get all output is becomes 0. So we put 0 here. In a simple common way, whenever we put this filter on any image which contains similar values, like this image is totally white, whenever we place this filter on a pure white image, we are going to get answer 0. And now move on to second step. Now we will change the position of the filter and move it one step ahead. Now our filter is positioning on this 10, 10, 0, 10, 10, 0, 10, 10, 0. And now we will multiply this matrix with our image. Respective values will get multiplied with the respective values of the image. So we will get 10 into 10, 10. And this is another 10, 20. This is 30. This whole sum is 0. And this is 0. Hence we get the total value resultant is 30. So we write the 30 here. Okay. In similar fashion, we put our filter again at this position and we do the computation and put 30 here. And in this position, we see that all the terms are 0, hence result is 0. Now we will place our filter to the next line, one step below the first line, and we do the similar computation and we get the resultant output. So these are the neurons which makes this output feature map. How we call this a neurons? In the ANN, we have studied very well that what is the neurons. Neurons is our activation function which takes the data from the input, multiply it with some kind of weights, and then after multiplying the numerical values with the weights, it gets an output. So this is the output produced by a neuron. So we get a feature map which contains 4 cross 4, 16 sets of neurons in a matrix form. If our image is 3D, image is in 3D shape, then our filter is also get converted into 3D shape, and this 3D images get we paste the filter on the matrix and we get the answer, and output is always remain in a 2D matrix. When we increase our filter size, we get different matrix, and these matrix get overlapped with each other, and the final feature maps will get 3D shape. Okay, thank you.